Hi, in this video we are going to see how to instantiate VHDL design into Verilog file and the Verilog design into an VHDL design. So we are going to see how to instantiate each other. So let us start this design and let me show which tool version I'm using. I'm using 17.1 Lite. So let us create a project. Let's create the desktop project. HDL. We will just call it as mixed language. Or okay, let it be top. Design to we don't have any design file. Let us select any device and just select a random device. Click finish. So for this design, let us take simple example. Like we have to understand how it is instantiating in the design. So we take simple AND gates, and we are going to connect a series of AND gates. We'll see in different files. So let me create a VHDL. Also, let me take okay. So let me create this design and then we'll go for the edit. And then this is template. I don't want to write any design here, so just insert and edit the file, which is useful. And just call it as VHD. Let it be simple. Save it. And I don't want so many ports. I'm just going to create and get. So I just want standard logic. I'm just editing everything. So I don't want anything in this design now. So this is the template you can use for AND-ATA. So two input AND-ATA will be using and one output. Now we'll just go and assign Z to A and B. Just save. So we'll instantiate now VHDL this design into an Verilog file. So let us create an Verilog file. So Verilog file. Just write it down. Module name I have not given. Just give it as mm, maybe Verilog. So I'll just name it as Veri, and then end module space and just hit Z. Okay, okay, just name it as okay. Once we have initiated, now we can just instead of writing this, now we want to instantiate that file. So we have VHD name. So in Verilog, how we'll do the things, it will be similar. So VHD with reference and just create. So for first input, we are going to just name same things like A, B, Z. So here we are using like VHD is the file name of the VHDL file, and U is the U1 is the reference name for this unit, and A, B, Z are the inputs and outputs from this Verilog file, which is mapping to the VHDL file. So here we have like like on position based. Now we have done this position based. Also by name, like naming base also we can do port mapping using name base. I'll just show that too. This is position based. For name based, I have VHDL name. I have to take VHDL whatever name I have given. I have given A, so I have to use here A with in bracket. You have to just put this. So this is position based. Let me write it separately. Okay, this is order based, and let me do it for position based also. And this is A. Sorry. This is for name based. Okay, just we'll save. We have initiated the VHDL design into Verilog. Now we'll see how to like we can just okay. Now if we run, there will be error. So we have to create top level again. We'll do a VHDL file. So we'll initiate this file into an VHDL file. So for that, just create VHDL. So I'll just copy this file which is already written. Here I'll just name XYZ. I'll just name it as XY. And C. So here I'll just name it as top as my project name suggests. So same thing as top and save it as top. We have saved the design. Now we'll instantiate Verilog module. For that, we have to create like same like VHDL what to do. We have to do everything similar like component. The name of the component is very, I guess. Verilog file name was very. So we have to create very, and component very is and component also we have to name. Same thing like Verilog how we do same thing and component semicolon. Inside we have to name what is the port names here A, B, and Z. So we have to name A not be in standard logic. It is that. So Z standard logic. So we have named it. So we have to for Verilog file we have to create like a component in this structure. Now we have to do port map again. We'll go here. So the component we have to do something like let me call this one D1 with reference name and component name is very component name is very with reference and then as usual we can do it with the method of order like how we have placed it in VHDL like input and B whichever name you are giving that's going to take there whichever signal name you are going to give. By name also you can create or by order. We'll follow order here. Simply just give signal name X, Y, and C. So we have just created everything. Now just run analysis and synthesis and see if we have any error. Hopefully we should not have any error. In this we have first created simple VHDL with hand operation and this we have used in Verilog and this Verilog file again we have used under top level VHDL. So we have seen there are two types of instantiation. One is like we have used two times. We can we should have commented one. So I'll just comment now. So yeah, name based and order based. So these two are very important concept in instantiating, and also we have seen mixed language how to instantiate and what to do when scenario occurs. So this is how we can do. Let us see if it compiles. We have some errors. Okay, there should not be semicolon here. And do we have anything else? Hopefully now it will get unlicensed without any error. Hope hope for that. It may take depending upon the memory compilation time may increase or decrease. we have to wait till it gets compiled. So again, there is some error. So let's go there. The top also I created like I copy pasted. So let me see another. And also check all files are added. Yeah, all files are added. I think for this there should not be. So let us see. Remember this. There should not be. So there was another set as input mode. Okay, this should be out. So see, we are doing many errors. Let us go for top also. This is out. Yeah, this is correct now. So now we'll see every file is getting like compiled without any. Simple combination now we have used. You can use it. Unique how you can design for whichever complex design you can do it. Just integrating with proper. You should know. See, still we have many errors. So this is something else. Very X Y is we are naming it correctly. Then still begin. Yeah, everything is correct. What else we are missing? 29 top 22. Am I doing something wrong? Let me see. There is no error actually. So I don't know what was the mistake. So let us see. Is it because of like naming it in the same line or different line? So see. Maybe this file. How to change. Oh shit. Okay. Can you identify like what is the mistake I have done? I just forgot to add. There should be port map or generic map, something like that. Maybe we don't have generic. We are not using anything. Let's see. If you remember, in the middle of the analysis and synthesis, it took its own time. It would have not checked this. I just saved before it ran like 11% or 2% of its analysis and synthesis process. So it has compiled now. So we can see the files included in this, and this was also you can see only 3 pins. And if possible, let us see if RTL viewer we can view this hierarchical instantiation pin. Even I don't know, let us see. Yeah, so we can see. So you can see every file getting instantiated in it. So U1 was the top. Let us go for top D1. Okay, which is instantiated in the top. Okay, D1. Then from D1 we have will be going to very. Okay, very is D1, and then upon inside very file we have something U1 instantiation. Yeah, you can see that too. Under V1 you should actually see the module design, VHDL design. So and gate which is implemented inside U1. So this is how it looks. Your integration should look. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like if you like this video, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.